Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your Scotiabank card to your Apple Wallet. Let us get started. To do this, and so you can pay easily with Apple Pay using your Scotiabank card, you can just follow these simple steps. Number one, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner, and enter your card security code to add a Scotiabank card from your iTunes account. Or you can select add a different card and use your camera or enter the card information manually. For Apple Watch, you can open the app on your iPhone, tap Apple Wallet and Apple Pay, and select Add a credit or debit card. Enter your card's security code to add your Scotiabank card from your iTunes account, or you can select Add a different card and use your camera or enter the card information manually. You can use this on iPhone 7s, iPhone 7 Plus as showed here, so on and so forth. For more videos like this, can you like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell button. See you next time.